Alright, in this video we are going to be unboxing the EVGA 1300 watt platinum power supply. I am excited for this. This is not only my first modular power supply, but it's my first platinum, 80 plus platinum power supply. So let's go ahead and jump right into unboxing this thing. This is quite the box, quite the weight. This will be a power supply being used for cryptocurrency mining, which was the reason that I got it, because I can hook up 6 GPUs with this thing, and it should provide plenty of wattage for what I'm wanting to do with it. Ooh. So this actually opens this way. Ooh, sorry. Look at that. There we go. All right. So in here, we have, this is the power supply itself in this box. We'll set that aside. Or no, those might be the cables. This might actually be the power supply right here. We've got that, and that is it inside the box, outside of the do not eat packaging. So we'll set that down. Remove our foam packaging here. Owner's manual. Give a quick look at that. All sorts of fun reading. All right, so yeah, this is the power supply. Actually comes in a nice little bag. I thought this might have been the cables, but there you go. I guess comes in a nice bag in case you want to take it with you somewhere. I have no idea. Oh man, this thing's heavy. So there it is, EVGA Platinum Plus Series Supernova 1300 watts. Oops. There's your specifications. 1300 watts output. 80 plus platinum. And then here's the fun part, all the modular plugs. Modular power supplies are nice because you can connect just what you need, so you get a little more flexibility, and you can keep your cables kind of organized and clean on that. So that is the power supply. Big fan on it as well to keep it cool. If I remember correctly, the Platinum series basically runs at 92.5% efficiency. So that all the 1300 watts of power is efficiently being converted into DC power that you can use and not being wasted in heat, and also just a very reliable power supply. So we're going to open the second box here. Let's see what we got. There we go. This should be all of our mini cables. The box does tell you exactly what came on it. Let me see if I can pull that here. Yeah, so here on the back of the box it actually said all the contents. So I'll just show you that here real quick. There's your English features. If you want to read through all that, I will not bore you with it all. And then here is what is included. So your different cables that they provide, as well as in the detail of the power. So in here, we have all of our modular cables. So one end will plug into the power supply, and then the other end into your board. So we give you a bunch of those. You're gonna have a ton of these for all different setups and arrangements. Actually, it only comes with 2 8-pin to 6+2 pin and 6+2 pin cables. So if that makes any sense. So graphics cards that need an 8-pin and a 6-pin or 2 8-pins, it only comes with 2 of those cables. The other 4 are just 8-pin to 8-pin. So keep that in mind if you're building something that's going to need more than multiple cables that need an 8 and a 6-pin on the same cable for the same card. You will need to buy additional cables for that, or maybe look at a one that comes with that. Heavy duty, heavy gauge power cord there, and that thing is a thick cable. I don't know if that really comes through, but that is a pretty thick power cable there. And then it looks like it gives you a way to bypass the power on the power supply, if I'm understanding what that is correctly. Basically, so you could plug this in, instead of plugging it into a motherboard, you could just plug this in and the power supply would turn on without needing a computer to turn on. So again, in the case of mining, you would maybe need that if you have multiple power supplies running graphics cards. You would need that functionality. So there you have it. That's what you get with the EVGA 1300 watt 80 plus platinum power supply. So we will be using that in our next cryptocurrency mining rig build. Stay tuned for that. If you have any questions on the power supply, leave a note in the comments. I'll be happy to try to answer those for you. And I hope you all have a great day.